Radhe Radhe Govinda Govinda Radhe 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 Govinda Govinda Radhe.
But still we were also discussing this morning, Gurudev, if you hear from someone by books, that is mercy. But also Srila Narayan Maharaj advised to Jayananda when he asked him, what will I do after you leave this planet? He said, you have to listen more from highly advanced Rasic Vaishnava.
Right, I agree with this. Who has no love, same slok you give, he will translate different way. And who has love, he will see from the loving eyes and he will find something else. The way is love. Loving eyes is important. That eyes should be full of love to see the love in every word. That is important. No. The goal, what is the goal? Come there, close, not sit like a mannequin. No, become. If you sit here, you have to be close, not independent, impersonal. Try to be a person. I want to go down, but you sit there. I cannot go. So this is the point.
Okay.
It should be loving eyes to show that way. That is Rasic. Loving means who is in love. They can show you. There are few, rare, who has a loving eyes. To see that. Every place, like Jit Dekho, Jit Shyamai, where I see my dear. What to do? That is loving eyes.
Premanjana Charita Bhakti.
Yeah, Prema Anjana means I put the back
Kajal
of love. So my black one, what is
This
Kajal?
black Kajal.
Kajal only see the love, loving things. What I can do. Maybe it's not like that, but I see like that. Radhe Radhe. That seeing is a deep meaning. See from the eyes of love.
And Gurudev, the see in love means always positive, right, Gurudev? Always positive.
Love means no negativeness. If any moment negativeness is coming in my mind, then mix up. Quality is not full of love. I am in the Chandravali group. Group of Chandravali, not even Radhika. This is Chandravali has a nature to judge. Only for me, I am yours and you have to do everything for me. Radhika said, you are mine. What you like you do, but you are mine. This is the difference. You are mine. You are free to do everything, but you are mine. And Chandravali said, no, you are mine. I am yours. Now you care me. And that way you have to give me food, you have to give me clothes, you have to give me house, you have to give me your time, you have to do everything for me. Because I am yours. You belong to me only, that's it. That means this nature bring you not in Radhika lotus feet. I think, but we become Gopi, but not Radhika Dasi. Gopi means any place I can fix myself. And Radhika Dasi is already fixed one point. That I want to serve you, my goddess of love. And I want highest love. What can be highest to attract your lover, God? That love I want. Because I have no love that I can share without your help. First I have to learn from you and I have to follow your way. Right? Understand? It's the nature of the soul to understand this. Nature of the soul has the two things. To understand the love things. And nature of the soul, how to serve, only to watch, and after watching they know. You watch from the elders how they do. Elder means who do already, they are old elders. And by looking them, if you're really serious to do, you will know in one day. Then you can do it very nicely. You have to in that mood to understand. You say, I will keep distance and I will know. It's not possible. You have to go in to do that.
Into the fire, Gurudev, to become iron,
Right.
like fire.
Yes. Like if you keep iron separate from fire, it will be iron and fire. But if you same iron you put in the fire, after some time, this iron will become fire. Right?
Or like a
Who is
spark.
there outside?
Like Gurudev, when a spark is connected to the flame, it has the same qualities like the flame. But as soon as the wind comes and takes the spark away, it ceases
Yeah.
over. And when it comes back, it gets again the same.
Yeah. Right.
বাবা
Golen,
আমার এই 3 বছর ধরে অসুস্থ, আমার কিডনি খারাপ হয়ে গেছে, আমার সুগার হয়ে গেছে। তো আপনাদের ডক্টর বলেছে মহারাজ যদি আদেশ করে তাহলে ওষুধ দেবো। আমি তো বাঁচবো না, তা আপনি আমাকে একটু কৃপা করুন।
Sharanagati?
Dhanidhi, Dr. Asud Dechena,
দেবে মানে আপনার আদেশ পেলে।
say to doctor to give the medicine to him.
ওকে,
Go, jaiye. Radhe.
Gurudev, could you speak more about the feeling you are mine?
Yes.
Please.
Radhe. First you have to know, I am yours. Right?
Full surrender.
No, I am yours is also full surrender. I am yours and I will only think for you is also full surrender. Right or not? But there is a condition to become I am yours. I am yours is a condition. That condition, if you know fulfill me, then I will be not feel this that I am yours.
That doesn't work, right?
I am yours, but with a condition to keep, I will say you, I am yours. What condition? Only you have to, for me, then I am yours. First condition. Right? Second condition. Second condition. If you take care of me, then I am yours. You don't leave me. You have to give full time to me, then I am yours. I will not leave you to go out, escape out from me. Then I am yours. I will hold you all the time, and I will catch you all the time that I am yours, you cannot escape from me. Then I am yours.
Possessive mode.
Huh?
Little possessive mode.
Yes. If you not fulfill my desire, how I am yours? You have to help to bring all comforts for me. Then I am yours. These are the conditions to be I am yours. Right or not?
Like a business.
Yeah, and I'm catching you so strongly that I'm not going to give you 1 minute chance to go out from me. Because I am yours.
Jai Maharaj.
Jai Maharaj, Jai Maharaj. Hey, Bandana, keep place to you. Yes.
जय श्री राधे
Jai Shri Ram.
जय साधु बाबा महाराज
Jai
Jai.
जो राज करो हमारे हम तो अकबर चाहिए
I am yours. Give the garnet to Bansi Prabhu. Give to Bansi Prabhu. Bansi Prabhu.
Yeah.
जय जय
Jai Maharaj.
Yeah. Yeah. I am yours. And you are mine. I know what you are. You have so many lovers. But what I can do, I fall in love with you. You are mine. I cannot leave you. I cannot think out of that. Because when I open my eyes, I see always to you. You are mine. I see the tree, but I see you, my dear. Because I don't know what happened to me. I want to forget you, to do some work, but I cannot do. Because you are mine. You do or not do, but I know that you have so many lovers, but you are mine. Good or bad, what you are mine. That is unconditional love, pure love, divine love. I am only fixed one pointed on you. One pointed. I cannot think out of you. Because you are mine. That is the beauty of Swamini Radhika. And that is Madhanakha Mahabhav. Bhav is in the madness. Madness that I become mad now, what I can do. You bring me to crucifixion, but what I can do, that is also your love, I feel. That is, in this moment, I cannot detach with you. I see is also beauty and best for me. Any pain is no pain for me now. The pain is this, that I not see you, then I feel pain. But always I see, because I always, my mind is fixed on you. That is full rasa. Gita, understand. Without understanding Chandravali mood, you cannot understand Radhika mood.
वाह
Maharaj.
लिठोरा में विराज नहीं है लिठोरा हमारा नंद राम के पास चंद्रावली थी
पकड़े हुई है,
हैं?
पकड़े हुई है।
पकड़े वही है
राधे
लोग ठाकुर जी रोज जाते हैं उनके दर्शन करने
जय जय नेता।
Gurudev, I made right now an observation, but it's a little risky. What I tell you now, because she said when you are in your satak there, you say I'm yours. When you are in the satak there, and when you're in the siddha there, you say you are mine. So, could we say that when Chandravali says I'm yours, this is the satak there of Radharani?
No. This is Chandravali mood. In Sadak Deha is the mood of Chandravali.
But she said,
Only I have a demand.
so the sadak there is for some reason.
In Sadak Deha, our demands never ends. So this is Chandravali mood. Chandravali is controlling your mind, material body.
Not
प्रिया जी
stopping.
कोई प्रतिबिंब बतावे
अरे प्रिया जी के प्रतिबिंब है, लेकिन भाव दूसरा है,
भाव में फर्क है
भाव में फर्क है। तो ये साधक देहा जो है, दिस इज द नेचर ऑफ द साधक देहा, इज डिमांडिंग नेचर, unconditional not. You can watch yourself. Demanding will never go in sadhak there. Chandravali will come to you to capture you.
But when Rati Manjari says, I am yours, when Rati Manjari says, I'm yours, I cannot live without you, this is different.
It's sadak there.
Rati Manjari is Siddhadeha. And Raghunath Das Goswami is in Sadhak Deha. When Raghunath Das Goswami is crying, I am yours, I am yours, I am yours, I am yours.
I cannot live without you.
I cannot live without you because I am in my sadhak deha and I am yours. I cannot serve you because I am in my sadhak deha. Please help me to be rich in my siddha deha, to always I can be in your service. And when the Raghunath Das Goswami became Rati Manjari, then he said, you are my Swami. I am your shadow Swami. I will do where you will go, I will go. What you will say, I will do. I will only 24/7 want to be with you. And again when they come in Sadhak Deha, because nobody can stay Siddha Deha all the time, so they come to Sadhak Deha, then again he cry and chant and do everything. What is bhajan? Bhajan is chanting to go in Siddha Deha. And when you go in Siddha Deha, then you not sit in bhajan to chant. Oh, Swamini, I have to complete my 64 rounds. Then I will come in your service. Crazy. Go and in your sadhak there and do bhajan. Okay, you want bhajan? Go in sadhak there.
A very simple question, Gurudeva. This is a famous shloka, Tavai Vasmi, Tavai Vasmi. Is there something like that, but with the meaning, you are mine, I cannot live without you. Please give me some service or something like
The
that.
sloka you want? No.
Yeah, shloka would be good.
You have some sloka, you are my Maharaj. कोई श्लोक है जो आप तुम हमारे हो, तुम्हारे बिना हम नहीं रह सकते.
ऐसे 50 श्लोक है.
बताओ ना जरा साइड में सुनना. पंडित जी बैठे.
मदन्य तेल जानन्ति नाहं तेभ्यो मनागपि.
ये तो है.
मदन्य तेल जानन्ति नाहं तेभ्यो मनागपि. जो ठाकुर जी कहते हैं कि जो मेरे से अन्य किसी को नहीं समझता है, माने मेरे ही स्वरूप में यदि भाव, प्रेम, प्रणय, स्नेह, राग, अनुराग, व्यसन है तो मैं भी उसको नहीं छोड़ता हूँ. फिर
राधा रानी का कोई श्लोक बताओ. ठाकुर जी का नहीं.
राधा रानी को लो. मादनाक्ष व्यापार को लो.
मादनाक्ष व्यापार का ही बताओ महाराज.
राधा कराव चित पल लब भल्लरी के. राधा कराव चित पल लब भल्लरी के. राधा पदांक बिलसन मधुर स्थली के. राधा यशो मुखर मात खगा बलि के. राधा बिहार विपिने रमताम मनो में. राधा बिहार विपिने
always Radhika is with his lover. Radhika is always meditating for his lover.
They want to hear outside.
महाराज यहाँ की व्याख्या आप करो. मैं बोलो.
आप तो ऐसे ही बोलो. माइक की जरूरत है ना.
Because they want to hear you.
Radhika.
राधा बिहार विपिने.
Radha is always in with his lover. Bihar means always in conjugal exchange. Is not without exchange of love. Love or exchange not. There are two types of love. European love, American love. I love you, I love you, I love you, oh my dear. Is not. This will never. No talking that I love you, but the action, all the action is in love, is a love.
Radha Bihar Vipinde.
Bihar is a action. The action is in the loving exchange. All the activities, eyes, ear, all the senses in the action of the love. That is love.
Love and action.
Bihar means action. All senses start acting in love. That is Bihar. That is Bihar. When the action of all senses start moving automatically, that is Bihar. हम कहा कि जब सारी इंद्रियां माने प्रफुल्लित होके अपने प्रीतम को आनंद देना चाहती हैं, उसको कहते हैं क्या?
विभ्रम. बिहार को अर्थ कर रहे हैं विभ्रम.
विभ्रम माने
विभ्रम को मतलब ये है कि प्रिया प्रीतम की जो अनंत रसात्मक चेष्टाएं, विन चेष्टन में ही सदा मन जो है वो रमतो रहे.
Means the beloved want to give with all the senses to the lover, And lover wants to give to exchange love. That exchange is meaning of love. There is no covering in between both of them. And this covering is no loving. Is a covering of my false ego, not makes to do this bihar. False ego is a false ego or the blockage of the circumstances don't want to go in bihar.
और वो महाराज बिहार कहाँ है रहो है विपिन वृंदावन.
Or this only possible to realize and understand in Vrindavan. There is no outside of the world existence. That is the thing. And nobody will discuss on this point. Because this will say is very lower thing, very dirty thing. But here if you talk, it's the highest thing.
Radha Bihar Vipine Ramatam Mano Me.
Ramatam, oh my God. Ramatam means
Ramakiriyam.
Ramakiriya.
Ram धातु को क्रीड़ा अर्थ है हमारा.
Ramaiti Ram.
हाँ रमू.
Ram.
Ramu क्रीड़ा. Grammar.
Where do I find this?
Sanskrit grammar.
Just this shloka here. Where is it?
He is the shloka.
He did it. He just said
He is the whole Bhagavad is in him.
नहीं सुनो महाराज. ये श्लोक है राधा सुधा
Radha's meeting together and in darkness.
और राधा सुधा नदी पे बड़े शास्त्रार्थ हैं.
अच्छा
मातृगोलेश्वर वहाँ में नहीं था.
अच्छा
हम तो आचार्य की वाणी है.
सुनो अब बता दें. Ramatam means there is nothing separate than both of them. Ramanaiti Ram. While Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare Ram. Ram means Ramatam. That is Ram.
He's really enjoying
ये
it.
जो चैतन्य महाप्रभु की जो ग्रंथ है ना वहाँ में
Going in next.
बिहार में यही अर्थ किया है.
अरे भैया यही अर्थ है.
जो आप कर रहे हो.
Ram, Hare Ram. You chanting what chanting? Oh, Ramatam, I see the Ramatam to Priyalal. This conjugal lover, I see from my eyes that they are in Raman. That is
Ram.
I need a shloka that I can see
Arre, my dear.
over and over again.
Over, look, he is the sloka. You can record it.
Yes.
Actually, Ram means, Ram is the Bij mantra of Radhika. Ask to it. Ram is not Ramachandra.
ये
No, this.
इनके माथे में बैठा रहा हूँ ये बात.
No, you write Sri Ram.
माँ मर्यादा
Means
है.
Sri Radha Ramanam. Sri is Radhika.
Yes.
Without Sri, there is no Ramanam.
चैतन्य चरितामृत में ये अर्थ किया है.
Without Sri, there is the Sri only when Ramanam is there.
वाह बहुत सुंदर हो रहा है.
Raman means there is nothing separate than anything. Raman means there is lips to lips, eyes to eyes, nose to nose, ear to ear, body to body. Everything is in Raman. That is Ramata. That is Raman.
इनके को ते गौर कर दो इनको. ते तुम्हारा भी नमन करे. मर्यादा में नहीं.
Yeah, there is no Maryada, no Dharmartha Kama Moksha. Throw it out. There is no Dharmartha Kama Moksha in Ramana. And to looking Ramana, there is no Dharma, no Artha, no Kama, no Moksha.
चैतन्य चरितामृत में यही अर्थ किया हुआ है.
Yes. Sarva Dharmana Partajye.
मामेकम शरणम ब्रज.
Mamekam.
एकम.
Shri Kishori.
किशोरी तेरे चरणन की रज पाओ.
Yeah. Oh Kishori, I want to be dust of your lotus feet and put on my head. To get that type of love in my inside me.
महाराज
Raj means Kishori following that mood when it will come in my life.
वाह किशोरी
Why I want to follow to learn that from you? This naughty Krishna is not going to teach us. Sorry Maharaj. हम कहते हैं ये नटखट कृष्ण नहीं सिखाएगा, ये तो खाली सिद्धांत बताएगा. It will only teach you philosophy.
रसमार्ग में नित्य लीला में तो किशोरी जी ले जाएंगी.
हाँ, रसमार्ग in rasa, only the Kishori can bring you in, and philosophy, this God can keep you outside. This God can keep you. Ras without Sri Ram. Ram means Rama.
अब रमता मनोगे 3 विशेषण वृंदावन के
बताओ.
वो बड़े रसमय है.
बताओ.
तो आप क्या करोगे तो बड़ी रसमय.
बोलो बताओ. हमको तो आवे ना है.
सब आवे नहीं. आज तो चैतन्य महाराज बोल रहे हैं तुम्हारे भीतर नहीं. वो ऐसा लग रहा हुआ है. क्या कही? तब तो तुम राम को याद कर रहे हो. राधा कराव चित पल्लव बल्लरी के.
What sweet.
Maharaj.
This is Radha Sudha Nidhi. Only 2 books in life to read. One is Radhika's love. How was this love that God want to smell and want to run for that?
Maharaj.
Anyone can become mad of the love of Radhika.
अपने श्री करण थे प्रिया जी. सुंदर सुंदर जो है वो हारे गूंथ रही हैं. ऐसो वृंदावन है
ये वृंदावन.
मैंने लालन को श्रृंगार ठाकुर जी करे और ठाकुर जी को श्रृंगार
प्रिया जी करे. प्रिया जी
श्रृंगार बटे
ना
दर्शन करेंगे वो श्रृंगार बट के.
The Kishori Radhika is trying to make up to Krishna, and Krishna wants to decorate to Radhika at the same time. And with the flower and the all makeups, both are exchanging. This is what? Love in action. All the stories of love in action. No talking that I love you, never. This is no love that I talk that. When you have a love, you do it. That is action.
महाराज हमारे गोकुलनाथ जी बड़ी भावना में बड़ी बात कह रही है. 56 तरह के पुष्पें वे सब किशोरी जी के ही परकर की स्वामिनी है.
Yeah, flowers. All the 56 varieties of flower, he count all. And all these flowers are the expansion of Radhika. What you see, हम कहें महाराज जो देखो वो सब राधिका की तो है. I say, why you say 56 variety? What is there in this universe is all expansion of Radhika to serve his lover Krishna.
और महाराज ये सब वृंदावन प्रिया जी के चरणार बिंदते अंकित है तब तो परिक्रमा करें.
And all Vrindavan is touched, all the steps in Vrindavan is touched by love of Radhika. Love. Touch means love. Touch is love. She touch anything, vibrate anything, it will be full of. So Vrindavan cannot be a Japan. No Vrindavan, you have to come Vrindavan. You cannot get it. You cannot think to feel that.
और महाराज ये वृक्षण पे जो पक्षी बैठे हुए हैं ना, ये प्रिया जी को यशगान कर रहे हैं.
And the birds you see in Vrindavan, they are the messenger of Radhika to bring the message to Krishna.
Radha Yaso Mukhar Mat Khagavali. एक और सुनाऊंगा.
सुना दो भाई. ये रसिक हो रहा है,
रस में चर्चा है ये।
बाबा हो गया राम बाबा।
तुमने जो है वो रसात्मक बनाई दी हो,
क्या
तो
कहते
हम शास्त्र पे चले
I
जाए।
love what he's saying. I don't know what he's saying, but I love it.
You make rasik to him.
I,
He changed in the 3 days.
वाह,
He is smiling now because he was very sad person.
Oh, what happened?
I don't know. He said to him,
Oh, sweet.
he said this now.
yeah,
Oh, really?
your vibration is changed.
If it's changed for the better.
He is a very divine, powerful man, you see. So he is 75, 80 years old. And he has whole Bhagavad slokas. He's a Pandit. Everyone respect him.
Yeah, I love to hear what he says. I don't
Yeah.
understand, but I love it.
No need to understand. This is the sweet manner of
It's fun.
महाराज भागवत रस की एक बात बहुत ही सुंदर। अब प्रिया जी कोई प्रसंग चल रहा हुआ तो प्रिया जी तो ठाकुर जी थे, ये श्री सुखदेव जी जो है ना महाराज, वे लीला सुख हैं, ऐसे आपके माध्य गोलेश्वर वाले ने। तो वे तो कहे कि बेटू रे राधे कृष्ण कहे, दाने दे दिए अनार के, और कहे कारा ठाकुर जी कि बेटू रे राधे कृष्ण राधे कृष्ण कहे, और वे इनको दे दिए दाने, और वे कहे कि भैया तू जो है वो श्री कृष्ण कर। तो दोनों तरफ को जो मिलान करे प्रिया प्रीतम को, वो ही दूत रूप सुख है, और विनी सुख ने अमृत विन के मुखारविंद में प्रिया जी ने और ठाकुर जी ने जो दाने दिए, वही अमृत आयो है, वही अमृत श्रीमद् भागवत है। भगवत भागवतम रसमालयम सुख मुखार अमृतम द्रव्य संयतम, अमृत भाते आयो है।
Means Radha.
राधा आधाते।
This is the teaching of Radhika to Sukadev, parrot, to say only Radha Krishna. Krishna is teaching, and Radhika only say about Krishna. Krishna, my Krishna, my Krishna. And that Sukha becomes Sukadev. And this Sukadev is writing Srimad Bhagavatam. They both teach him to Sukha. Because Sukha was parrot was the messenger of Radhika.
वाह, प्रिया जी की तो सहचरी है ही सुखदेव जी।
This parrot was the messenger who bring the letters to Krishna and bring the letter from Krishna to Radhika. This is the work of parrot. And this parrot becomes Sukadev. In 16 years old, how he knows everything? Because he was born with this knowledge.
भागवत में कहूँ नाम नहीं दियो, शास्त्र ऐसा कही नहीं है कि एक नाम यदि सुखदेव जी ले लें प्रिया जी को तो 6 महीना तक की उनकी निद्रा लग जाए।
Never he mentioned name of Radha, because if he say one time Radha, 6 months he will be in ecstasy. So he no pronounce the name of Radha any place in Srimad Bhagavat, because he bring up to Gopi. Never Radha pronounce, because Radha name can make him in ecstasy. And he can be for 6 months nothing, useless.
तुम्हारा राजा की मुक्ति न होती,
Then
राजा को दार में हो तो 6 महीना की भी रह जाती।
7 days the snake has to come and bite. How he will be free from this suffering? So he not pronounced name of Radha. जय हो निताय। जय महाराज, कुछ बनो बात।
हाँ, बात बन गई
क्या? बिराजो।
ना।
हाँ। क्या?
वहाँ वो फाइल पूरी पढ़वा दी उन्हें, पॉइंट पॉइंट की मैंने बता दी सब वहाँ जगह, और देख के और बोले राघवानंद ये कौन है, हमारे यहाँ तो कोई रहे नहीं। मैंने कहा ये गोविंद आश्रम वाली जमीन वगैरह है, ये बगीचा वगैरह उनका था, या शायद आप लोगों ने पहले उनसे की होगी, उन्होंने जब करवाई है जब ये केस चला है, तो सब समझा दिया उनको, सेटिस्फाइड हो गए और उन्होंने आदेश कर दिया है तो मीटिंग में ये कागज ये पूरी फाइल रखी जाएगी।
अच्छा, हाँ
16-17 तारीख की मीटिंग है, मैनेजर को लिए लिख दिया है उन्होंने, मीटिंग में ये फाइल रखें और आपका हो जाएगा।
क्या बोले हो? क्या बोले? क्या बोले भाई?
किसान तो ये आगे
नहीं क्या बोले कि हो जाएगा?
बोले कि हाँ ठीक है। अच्छा रहा,
अच्छा रहा।
मिला के आज की भी मीटिंग बहुत बढ़िया।
कैसे रही मीटिंग?
ऑर्डर हो गया कि मीटिंग में पेश किया जाए।
अच्छा,
मैनेजर साहब का मुंह लटक गया, वो पास हो गया।
अच्छा,
हम पूछे गणेशू जी का कुछ आया?
नहीं, कुछ नहीं आया। और महाराज जी जब बोल दिया कोई भी कोई कागज किसी के पास और है ही नहीं, ये कागज।
वो बहुत खुश थे, आए भी थे 2 दिन पहले यहाँ
आए थे अपने दरवाजे पे।
बोला मैनेजर है यहाँ, तो नहीं मिला नहीं, लॉर्ड स्वामी जी खुद आए थे।
स्वामी जी खुद आए थे, दरवाजे में खड़े थे और उन्होंने कहा उनसे कह देना कि मैं आया था और आपके पास ये सूचना भी नहीं आई
ना।
तो आए थे शाम को, परसों आए, बोले मैं हॉस्पिटल गए थे तो उधर से लौटे थे, अच्छा लगता है मैं रुक गया वहाँ।
और फिर उन्होंने आपके जो बाहर है उन्होंने बताया था वो सामने वाली जमीन की बात है, ये भी उन्होंने बता दिया।
सचिनंदन बोले नाते थे गिट्टे थे, तो वही है,
वो नहीं पहचाना।
कुल मिला के मीटिंग अच्छी रही,
बहुत खुश थे, अच्छे
से एक एक कागज हम लोगों ने समझाया।
देख रहे थे रंगाचार्य जी कौन थे, राघवाचार्य जी कौन थे, नहीं राघवाचार्य उनके नहीं थे न, बोले ना तो हमारा मुक्ताराम था। राघवाचार्य जो गोविंद जी जो बगीचा था ना, उन्होंने शायद ऑब्जेक्ट किया था, वो हाजिर नहीं हुए थे कोर्ट में।
तभी आदेश हुआ था 41 में,
41 में जो ऑर्डर हुआ
40 में हाजिर न होने पे हुआ है।
उन्होंने ऑब्जेक्ट किया था, वो हाजिर नहीं हुए तो हम लोग के फिर बाद में विटनेस बने।
वो सब समझा दिया उनको, मतलब कुल मिला के ये है।
वाह, आप नहीं होते तो समझाता।
अरे नहीं,
वाह, चलिए जय हो। अब जो भी हो राधा मोहन जी की मर्जी हो।
बहुत अच्छा, जो हुआ अच्छा ही होगा।
अब देखो
अच्छा ही होगा, कोई सामने टिकेगा नहीं।
नहीं, एक करके सब भाग जाएंगे। राधा मोहन जी के सामने कौन रुकेगा?
और इनकी जरा सी मीटिंग हो जाए, जो भी इसमें इनका हो, उसके बाद सीधा श्री वैसी से करिए आप मीटिंग, तो उनसे हाँ ना का जवाब दो। हाँ करते हैं तो लाओ और चाबी, और नहीं करते हैं तो आओ ना। श्री वैसी से मीटिंग करो, वो मानते हैं तो लाओ चाबी, वो नहीं मानते तो आओ।
जय हो, जय हो, राधा मोहन जी की जय। जय हो महाराज।
What time we go?
2.
So who's going with you, Hariom? I need to send some papers. Who's the driver?
I don't know. Maybe Srillara Prabhu.
कौन सा आनंद है? इनको पढ़ो लिखो करो ना,
सुनो
भजन करो।
No, बच्चे
200
भैया सब ठाकुर जी इनको परिवार है, सब प्रसन्न रहो।
なんかね、何時に来るって。で、なんか、持ってってもらいたい。
Again, I need to send some documents. You can drop to my office. The driver. It's on the way to airport.
I see.
But so
I have to
maybe
send the hard copy. I send the scan, but I need to send the hard copy signed.
You give to me, I will do.
Are you leaving us?
अरे सुनो, भेज दो दीदी को, हरिदास से टैक्सी मंगवाई है।
अच्छा,
दीदी के द्वारा भेजो। अभी दीदी को, हरिदास को फोन करो कि अभी दीदी को टैक्सी भेज रहे हो, तो वो पेपर लेके जाएगा। एक पेपर भेजना है उसके लिए। निताई।
can you turn on the mic? I think it's off.
Nitai.
Nitai.
जय श्री राधे।
So, you see, Radhe Radhe. Nut and sail is Radhika. All you turn, but point is this, Radha is the way.
Jai.
Without
राधा रानी की एक बात और सुनाओगे महाराज?
सुना दो भैया,
सुनो,
सुनाओ।
बिल्व मंगलाचार्य को श्लोक। ठाकुर जी बड़ी अपनी प्रशंसा कर रहे हैं।
One time Krishna is making his glorification.
मैंने गिरिराज जी उठाया।
अरे I took the Giriraj in my small finger.
तो प्रिया जी बोली ठाकुर जी थे।
Then Radha Rani said to Krishna,
उर्व्यान को फिर मही धरो लगतरो दूर्भ्याम धृतो लीलया तेन त्वाम दिव्य भूतले च सततम गोवर्धनो गीयसे किम्बा केशव भाषणे निबहुना पुण्यसो लभ्यते
जय जय
त्वां त्रैलोक्य धुरम बहाम कुचयो अग्रेण तद गण्यते। तेरा यश हो रहा है, ठीक है। पृथ्वी पे सबरे लोकन में कितने गिरिराज जी उठाए।
अरे it's very good that people is glorifying you, that you took the Giriraj in your finger. It's very nice. It's a very good that you do some big job.
अब किशोरी जी कहा गए महाराज?
Now Kishori said,
कि अब ज्यादा हमारी बड़ाई बड़ाई मत करे।
अरे don't talk very high about you.
तू जो 3 लोक का स्वामी है,
You are is a supreme personality of 4 universe, and you Triloka means you are the creator of 3 lokas. That I know.
तेरे गिरिराज जी को भी हमने धारण किया और तुझको भी धारण किया, तो सच्ची गोवर्धन धारणी हमें है, तू नहीं ने।
Yes, he said, I took you also. What about 3 lok you are taking? And I take your burden. I took your load and I took Govardhan to me. I took this Govardhan.
कछु माखन को बल बढ़ो, कछु गोपन करी सहाय, और श्री राधा जी को नाम ले गिरवर लियो उठाए।
And why you took this? You took some butter and Gop help you to do that. But by my name you took this Govardhan because you took in your finger because of my name.
और तो दिख नहीं नो, गोवर्धनु विराज रहो है हमारे पास और तू विराज रहो है। गंभीर भाव है महाराज।
ये गंभीर भाव
हाँ।
is a very private and
ये लोग समझ
नहीं। I took the Govardhan and to you also. It's a very deep bhav. Deep meaning that you have to. हाँ महाराज आ गए, बहुत बढ़िया जम गया। वो बोल दिया कि हो जाएगा आपका काम, तो बन गया। हाँ हाँ अरे बहुत बहुत। वो बोले कि एक दिन तो हम आए थे मुंगेर मंदिर, तो गेट मुंगेर मंदिर आए थे, यहाँ खड़े हुए और यहाँ अरे कोई नहीं बताया हमको, क्या बताऊं, गेटे से लौट गए। हाँ बुलाना होगा साहब।
जरूर बुला लेंगे एक दिन महाराज। बोले भाई उनका अच्छा स्वागत कर देंगे वहाँ पर बैठ के।
जहाँ
जैसे कोई फल वल देते हैं, चाय पानी भी नहीं देते हैं वो लोग।
अच्छा
हाँ,
ठीक।
साबत फल दे देंगे जैसे लोग।
जहाँ
बुला लेंगे महाराज जी।
जहाँ जय हो महाराज।
अच्छा हो गया सब।
जय
मैं भैया तो यार थोड़ा मक्खन काट के आओ घर पे, तुम्हारा काम सिद्ध होगा, बिल्कुल जाओ।
अच्छा
भैया बोले ठीक है, तो कुछ भी खा जाए थोड़ा मक्खन खा के याद रहता है।
जय हो गया सिद्ध, हो गया, आज काम हो गया।
चलो ठीक है महाराज।
जय हो, आपकी जय हो। अब सब कर देंगे जैसा आपको होगा, सबका किसी का नहीं होने वाला है। सुनो, अब इसका देखो तुम, उसको बस 25-50 तक सल्टाओ भाई। झाड़ो उसको बस।
ठीक है महाराज।
जय हो।
चलो भैया जी आगे सही में सो जाता, पूछू जरा एक बार पहले क्या हुआ।
जय हो।
मेरा जाना ठीक नहीं था महाराज, हमारा पास चल गया ना रास्ते का, बिल्कुल चल गया रास्ते का।
नहीं कोई बात नहीं है, आप ही कर रहे हो सब काम आपको।
हो गया ठीक है, पूरे कागज देखिए तो वो देख भी होंगे सब उन्होंने। हाँ ये तो पक्का चीज है हमारी सब है ना।
सही हो।
अच्छा महाराज,
राधे राधे।
ठीक है महाराज।
Good news, Guru.
इनके को महाराज पिया जी के चरणन में लव करो, और जगत के पदार्थ में यदि लव भयो तो फिर 84 है।
जाने वो बात वही कहो रही।
जाने
कृपा है तो जाने
आपके पास आई को न जाने।
अरे आपकी कृपा से हो। प्रेम कैसा कर रहा है? प्रेम प्रयोजन मुलाकात हुआ कि नहीं? प्रेम से प्रेम प्रयोजन
तो नहीं हुआ महाराज। कहाँ डट रहे हो?
पता नहीं कहाँ डट गया।
अब कहा बताओ महाराज, हम तो यहाँ आपके आएंगे पाकिस्तान चले जाए।
प्रेम प्रयोजन से नो मीटिंग।
No here?
Yeah, he's here.
डट तो रहो था ना क्यों?
पता नहीं।
I don't know, Guru.
वो महानता है महाराज,
बहुत बड़ा मानता है।
5-50 भक्त संग चले होंगे, खूब कीर्तन करे, खूब भागवत बोले।
चक चल रहा है, चक है।
अच्छा है महाराज,
अच्छा
भक्ति को कुछ प्रचार तो कर रहा हुआ।
सही बात।
नारायण महाराज को प्रचार प्रसार तो कर रहा हुआ।
सिद्ध महात्मा है। और कृष्णचंद्रा भी आया हुआ है। कृष्णचंद्रा
और पुंडरीक जी के महाराज हम तो गए जतीपुरा 2 दिन पिंडानी में।
अच्छा,
भगवत चर्चा करी पुंडरीक जी ने,
बहुत अच्छी।
ऊपर माते बेचारे अपने चले गए।
पुंडरीक जी को जा नहीं पा रहे।
पुंडरीक जी खूब अपने भगवत चर्चा करते,
बहुत अच्छे आदमी।
अपने बड़े के धर्म में निभाए रहे महाराज। यही बड़े को धर्म है। 12 बजे महाराज,
12 बजे।
वाह, जय जय श्री राम। महाराज आप इन्हें पवित्र कर रहे हो और ये चर्चा करेंगे वहां जाएंगे।
हमको ये पवित्र कर रहे हैं। By their mercy I becoming pure.
सुनो, ये चर्चा जो आप शब्द बोल रहे हो, ये शब्द जाएंगे, शब्द ब्रह्म जाएगा आकाश में।
चेक करो भैया। My dear कृष्ण कीर्तन, you are the researcher. You have to check and give me some.
शब्द ब्रह्म जाएगा आकाश में।
You found
तो
something?
इनके सबरे देश ने पवित्र कर देगो। पुनात भुवनत्रयम, पुनात भुवनत्रयम।
They all become रसिक महाराज।
और काम है देश पवित्र है रहो महाराज। आप यहाँ कर रहे हो, ये शब्द ब्रह्म तो जाएगा अपने आकाश में।
3 दिन में ही वो इसका वाइब्रेशन बदल रहे हैं। आप जो बता रहे हो
तो बदल ही जाएगा।
जब से राम बाबा हुआ बदल गया है। नो राम बाबा। वंदना तो ऑलवेज इन वंदना, प्रेइंग ऑलवेज इन द मोड ऑफ हर योगा इज द हाईएस्ट योगा
महाराज। भक्ति सिद्धांत को जीव मात्र को अधिकार है।
जीव तत्व, जीव किसी ने जन्मा ही है।
जीव तत्व को में वल्लभाचार्य जी रास में कह रही है।
You see, he is telling this is the nature of the jiva. Bhakti. Bhakti means love in action. Bhakti means not complicated. Some Indian philosophy. No. Is love in action is a bhakti.
Devotion.
Devotion is that. When the action will be with love, that is devotion. Your action with the hate, doubts, bogus. Negativeness will create. All love has to be in action. With all action has to be in love. Do this, practice how you will see that bhakti is coming. Everybody will say he is a very good devotion here. Simple word. All action is in love.
Bhakti Siddhant Swatantra hai.
Swatantra.
Bhakti Swatantra
Independent. Huh?
Bhakti Swatantra Sakal Gun Khani. Tulsidas ji kehni hai.
Swatantra.
Swatantra.
All qualities there.
Jai Jai Shri Radhe.
Jai 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 Baba ki Jai. He is the one of the biggest pandits in Vrindavan. In the Sanskrit sloka. Many are student told Vrindavan is a student.
If you want to take
महाराज
this,
ठाकुर जी तो वृंदावनम परित्यज्य पादवेकम प्रिया जी के चरण में ही पड़े रहे. वृंदावनम परित्यज्य पादवेकम में गच्छति.
बट ये कैसे अक्रूर आने वाली बात सुनने को आती है? अक्रूर वाली कथा कैसे आती है? ये संसार वाली.
अक्रूर वाली हम गम्मा के दो अर्थ करें. जो चतुर्भुजी है वह तो बोलेगा वो द्वारका तक लीला वही है. और ध्रुवजी जो ठाकुर जी है राधा माधव वे तो नहीं लौटे आएंगे फिर.
जय हो जय हो. There are two Bhuji and Chaturbhuji.
हाँ वे आएंगे.
So listen. There are two arms
तब तो
and
कह रहे
4 arms.
वृंदावनम परित्यज्य पादमेकम में गच्छति.
Krishna is never say that he never go one step out from Vrindavan.
आज महाराज सुनो ठाकुर जी ने होते तो इतनो आपको जो है आकर्ष और इन लोगों को न हो तो.
अगर Krishna is not here, there is not happening anything like that.
इनको अनुभव होगा कि नहीं ना?
You feel are not here because Krishna never go out. There are 2 arms Thakur, Krishna, and 4 armed Krishna. The 4 armed Krishna went to Dwarka and 2 armed Krishna is always living in Vrindavan.
आप मुंगेर के राज्य सब छोड़ के आएंगे और ये विलायतन थे जो है वो आएंगे तो कष्ट तो अनुभूति है ना.
He said Chaturbhuji, who has the Narayan Bhakti, they think in Dwarka and this and that. 4 arms Krishna. And the 2 arms Krishna, who is Radha's Priya, Radha's Gopi Jan Vallabha, he never go out. Brajendra. Never go out. Understand? So who believe in God, 4 arms, then he goes out. Yeah.
There is another verse about when Radharani says, "You are mine." The last verse is Chikshastika. Aslishya Pada Patambanasya.
Yeah, give him my gum.
This verse says that you can
embrace me,
or you can be hidden in front of me. You can do whatever you want, but you always will be mine. So whatever Krishna does, doesn't matter. Radharani tells him that you always will be mine. You always will be my Lord, my
Lord of my heart.
All the time.
Jai Ho. Very good, Vamsi.
You see?
Maharaj.
Say more.
Maharaj, yes.
Radhe Radhe.
So how we practice this? Bhav.
How to practice this bhav? This is only possible in the association with rasic devotees. Otherwise you cannot if you are not in this association, you will always be infected by other thinking, by knowledge, by reasoning, by trying to want to understand, because that takes you out of the world of feeling. And as soon as something takes you out of the world of feeling, you cannot feel this. But we're not talking about the knowledge, we're talking about what feels. And Radharani, Mahaprabhu, he writes, he has only 8 verses in written form, the Sri Shikshastikam. So this is the last word of Sri Shikshastikam. It's like in the Bhagavad Gita, there's 18 verses, and in the last verse, in the last chapters, the 18 chapters, in the last chapter it says, give up everything. All Dhamma, Sava Dhamma Parijajam Mam Ekam, and follow my one. Raja. So this is the meaning, the deep meaning of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's teachings. Actually is like, go to the feeling. Don't stay in knowledge, don't stay in the ones who want to reason everything. It's just about the heart, it's nothing about the mind, nothing about intelligence. When we feel, when we learn to love again, this is actually, this is the university of love, the teachings of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. This is how to love again, how to come back to the world of feeling, and out of the world of reasoning, stay in the world of reasoning and intellects and all this, because this was what we were educated in the Western world. Going to the university, study, doing this, doing that, learning this, learning that, compete about everything, competitions all over with the best player, with the best singer, with this and that. That's all stupid. This is not the world of feeling. The world of feeling is just embrace each other and say, there's only one thing, Radha Dasya. Radhe Radhe.
Radhe Radhe.
Today Jnananda is going, so I request him to say something.
Yes.
His realizations.
I don't have any realization, but I listening Gurudev lecture and also Kesha Baba lecture, and I come into my mind. One thing is coming into my mind. Kesha Baba say from Shikshastakam, Tunadapi Sunichena, Taroriba Sahishuna, Amanina, Manadena, Kirtaniya Sadhari. From this verse, all Vilas Manjari coming, all spiritual coming, he said to us. So I just think about, you are mine, I am yours. But if we think Tunadapi Sunichena, that verse, they don't expect anything. Like Vanshpabu say, last verse of Shikshastakam, Ashurisha ba Latam Pinasma, Adarshana Marma Hatan Karutba, Yata Tata ba Vidaranto Rampato, Matpra Nata Seva. So like a similar feeling there. So I don't expect anything. I'm nothing. I'm very humble. I just pay obeisance to everybody. And I just Kirtaniya Sadhari. Means I want to say name of our lovers. Always. So that mood is you are mine. If Gurudev say, if I'm yours, then that kind of feeling may not come. But if say, so you are mine, then Radharani, in Chaitanya Charitamrita, I remember, I think last part of maybe Anchalila 20 chapter. If Krishna want to go to some lady's place, but the lady say no, then I go to that lady personally. Please make her relationship with Krishna.
Make him happy.
Make him happy. I become your maid servant. So that is Radharani's mood and love, Wow, we cannot imagine, huh?
Just take it like this because this
Wow,
mic takes,
Yes,
this mic
yes,
takes
yes.
like this.
Yes, yes.
Wow.
So that is real Radha darshan. So we do not expect anything. And if please my lovers, Radharani and Gurudev, we can do anything. Yesterday, I want to share one thing.
Yeah.
Yesterday, Kesha Baba did almost 2-hour lecture.
My God.
Yes.
And he so much inspired us, actually.
Wow.
So he's saying Grihastha ashram is actually highest. Many people say, sannyasi, brahmachari is very nice. But the real sense, Grihastha ashram is highest and most difficult to do. Why? Because in Grihastha ashram, we have to be in balance. Also, in Grihastha ashram, we can serve the devotee of the Lord. In Grihastha ashram, we can only serve sadhu, guru, and Vaishnava, generally speaking. So, he explained, sometimes we think serving the Lord is highest, but actually no. Serving the devotee of the Lord is more higher than directly worshiping the Lord. And who is highest devotee is someone who is Hladini Shakti, and his one Ekan. The Srimad Radharani is highest devotee. So if we serve Radharani or Radharani devotee, that is
The best.
best. And he's saying how sadhu seva is highest, because to sadhu seva Krishna will please, or maybe Radharani also please. Then they can give anything. Yesterday, one story Baba told us. One poor brahmana there, wife and husband. They are very eager to serve the devotees and sadhu. And sadhu came their house, but nothing there. So the husband went to go out and just baking, rice or something, but nothing he could not get. Because everybody knows they are very poor. If they could not pay return. So many people thinking, oh, they are poor, they cannot give back to us. So husband could not do it. Then wife went. And wife went to shop. Please give me some rice, dal, or, vegetable, anything. But shopmaster say no. But if you cut your breast, then I can give you.
Very cruel story, my God.
So, but shopmaster say, if you cut your one breast, then give me, then I can give you.
What?
Cut a breast.
Vegetable rice.
You cut this, then
Because, shopmaster thinking, she cannot do this.
this was a joke.
Joke, kind of half joke.
Yes.
But the ladies is very serious. Okay, I'll do it. Please give me knife. And then cut it and then.
Wow.
And then she got to many, boga, vegetable and rice, and she cooked it. But after cooking, she tried to serve the food. Some one drop of blood is coming.
One drop blood is coming.
Blood is coming. And then maybe, that is maybe Narada and Krishna. Hey, Mataji, you are now maybe not pure. Maybe you have, not pure time. So, but Mataji said, no. I'm already finished. I'm pure. And then, why your blood is coming? If you don't explain this, we cannot take your food. Then she has to say reality. And then she described, actually, our house is no money to serve you. So my husband went to beg something, but nothing come. So I personally went to shop master. I asked them, but they want to give. But they say, if you cut my one breast, they will give us.
My God.
Then,
Very dramatic.
yes, and then,
Many, very serious.
yes, very serious. And then she told that story to that sadhu.
Sadhus.
Actually, that sadhu was Narada and Krishna. And then, after hearing her story, Krishna get up, embrace her. You are my dear. Then, her breast cure. Her breast replaced again. And he said, okay, I give you everything who can serve you. Your sadhu, I can give you anything. So Baba told us, so sadhu seva is actually very highest. Sadhu seva, we can get, say, everything. So that's Baba's lecture.
My God. Baba is giving so beautiful lecture, you cannot imagine.
And it is Mother Yashoda.
Huh?
They became Mother Yashoda.
So they became Mother Yashoda and Nanda Baba. That's a story of Dara and yeah, something. Dorona and Dara something. That story was explained. Also, Baba told us, actually, to become Manjari is highest thing.
My God. Baba said?
Yes. People thinking to become Manjari is small and easy. No. It's most difficult thing to become.
My God. Most difficult.
Yes. So, to become Manjari Baba, we need one-pointed and determination. If we say deviate and not impossible, say like this. And then, but it is possible if we really sincere. And also he said, Raghunath Das, among the 6 Goswamis, Raghunath Das Goswami is
more close, Mike.
Raghunath Das Goswami did so much tapasya, and through so much tapasya, he got so much power also. And in that power, he wrote many books, like Virat Kusumanjali. Therefore, that Virat Kusumanjali contains so much power of Raghunath Das Goswami.
Yeah.
So if we read even one verse and just to feeling, remembering, and try to realize, and then that verse give us Manjari Swarup.
Yeah.
So he said, actually, to become Manjari is not easy task. We have to be very sincere. We have to also do some tapasya to please Radharani. That he said.
He died.
Then he died.
Without Radhika, no way.
No. So he's saying, to please Radhika is the most important thing. But we are thinking we want to please ourselves. But no, we want to please Gurudev, Guru Manjari and Radhika. That is the most important thing.
Is this tapasya what is Rupa Goswami saying about Yukta Vairagya? This is the real tapasya.
Yeah. So therefore he's saying Grihastha Ashram. Grihastha Ashram is very nice. Why? Because in Grihastha Ashram we have some money, some house, some car, or children, everything. But we can use for the service of Vaishnava and Gurudev and Radhika. So if we can serve everything to please Radhika, then our life will be perfected. That's, I think Gurudev also saying, don't become sannyasi, stay in Grihastha. You do your work, but not for yourself, for Radha Mohan. Right, Gurudev? Thank you.
Kishore, you want to say something?
Please forgive me. I'm not good at English, but I try to say something. 2 years ago, my first time I came here, this Mangalraj Mandir. That time I quit my job because I want to find my life sincerely. I'm so confused. What is the life purpose of life? Then before I met Jananda Prabhu 1 year ago before I came here. So his lecture is very powerful. First I met him. I'm so surprised because he knows everything. I realized. So I try to join. Yeah. I try to join his class, every class. Then I follow him. I decided then I came first time Vrindavan. I'm so fortunate that time I can stay first time for 3 months. So that time I think, so I want to know philosophy.
Philosophy.
Yes, I want to get many philosophies.
Right side.
Yes, because
yeah. दिखाओ ना
Two.
अरे give me ना to me
Two.
yeah go give me all
Okay. Here we go.
there is a copy written already
Yeah, that's one I'm looking.
keep it
You have it? Okay.
so because I want to become to do by everything, by myself everything, like a monk.
I have to go.
Yes, maybe I'm impersonality like this. Maybe my body like this. Something is changed by Gurudev's mercy, by every Vaishnava's mercy, Radha Mohan's mercy. This year, I can change my life. So, many people know I have many confused time. My emotion is angry so much. So sorry to disturb so many emotional time. Many people thought. Yeah. Yes. Now, by Gurudev embraced me, and every Vaishnava protect me. Now I'm feel many change in my heart. Because before I can't feel love, but I feel love now. I have some realized.
So generous, you sharing everything with us, all your time you was sharing.
Thank you so much. Please keep contact this association. This Radha Mohan and all of you, of course Gurudev also, Keshava Baba also, of course Jananda Maharaj also. This is our hope. Jai Shri Radhe.
Jai Shri Radhe.
किशोरी की जय राधे